Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sifan. On this video we share how we undecorate Christmas decor and decorate for Valentine's Day. I hope you all like this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and give it a thumbs up. It will help my channel to grow. Before I get into this video, I just want to apologize for not posting a video last week. I usually post videos every Tuesday since I start my channel, but this time I went back to work after being on mat leave and picked up extra shift on top. Did not get a chance to record any videos at all. I apologize for that. But on this video, I share how I decorate my house for Valentine's Day. I hope you all enjoy this video. Most of my decor pieces are either from HomeSense, Walmart, Michaels, and Dollar Store, except the fresh flower in a glass. They are a gift I received from my husband last year for Mother's Day. They are supposed to last 3 to 5 years, so I'm excited to keep them for the next 4 years. I also purchased a new pillowcase for Valentine's Day this year. They are from Amazon. They do come in 4 different styles. If you are interested, I will go ahead and link them down below.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Thank you so much for watching my videos. Until I see you all next time on different video, stay blessed and I love you all.